Hey guys, welcome to the video. We actually got something to unbox here today, and this came in with a bunch of other stuff, so let's open and see what this is. Oh, right here. It's pretty unusual for a box like this to open this way, so I was kind of confused. Here we are. Yikes. Okay. I've actually been waiting for this for a long time, but I had no idea it already arrived. There we go. So this is available on Amazon. If you guys need to, I'll leave the link in the description so you guys can purchase one for yourself. But this is basically, a bunch of bins and stuff. This is going to be mounted under the desk, which I'm not going to do in this video, but I'll just show you guys what this is. I'm actually planning to put this on my custom desk that's going to be replacing the one behind me right now. So this basically holds things and basically for cable management purposes, or let's say you want to put your pen and your sticky notes and things like that, you want to just hide it under the desk like a drawer kind of thing, and then you could also see through this, so you don't have to open and wonder where things are. This is what that's for. Pretty cool. We've got some screws and some paddings here to mount this on, and then we've got more things here. So this is going to be we got two of these. These are going to be the stands and like clamps. That's going to help us kind of keep this onto the desk. So it's the whole thing is clamping, so you don't have to drill or anything like that, so pretty simple application. The tape here is very aggressive, turned it yellow, but it held everything nicely without any damage, so that's it served its service purpose. There we are. Alright, that's kind of annoying, but here we are. We've got one of this piece, two of these pieces, and we've got these are the clamps. So these would basically mount onto the desk, so you just go to your desk and go like that, and you would just screw this on until it mounts. So we have two paddings here already. These are probably just backup paddings. So once we do that, we can actually just take these and simply hook these on. Boom, just like that. See? And then we've got these as well for extending what we have and then putting the other one on. Pretty cool, not bad at all, and very simple and minimalistic design. I really like it. I feel like this would go with any kind of setup, any color setup too, honestly. These are matte, so it doesn't attract a lot of light. I definitely dig that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If you guys want this product, it's going to be in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys next time. Peace.